All right, here I am. I've got my box of books from Learning to See, and I know it's Learning to See because it's from Penguin Random House, which is the distributor for MIT Press, and also because it's heavy. So I'm supposed to get 10 free copies from the publisher, and the publication date was April 22nd, but today is way before April 22nd. So this is a surprise. And I'm kind of nervous and excited because I haven't seen the books yet. Oh, here they are. This is Learning to See. We'll have to get lots and lots of photos. Now, let's see. Oh, there's more. Let me take out another one. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the book. On the back cover, we got my endorsements. Now I got to check out something in particular. In the inside cover, this was unique to this book, which is, zoom in a little bit so we can see this. This is the inside of the front cover. Isn't that cool? I mean, how many paperbacks have you seen like that? And then on the inside, when I was sharing the PDFs with people, they thought that was the cover. I was like, no, that's just the inside cover. Yeah, this is looking pretty awesome. I love it. I love it. It's even better than I imagined. There's our table of contents. Yeah, I'm going crazy. I'm geeking out about the table of contents. All right, let's see the back cover. It should also, there it is. And what this is the universities where the professors were that I interviewed, art and design professors for the book. There were so many of them, 50 different universities, that I wanted to make it obvious when people were opening up the book that, oh my gosh, look at all these universities that Keith interviewed professors. So, oh, and here are all the universities too, right up front. Well, there it is. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at these color photos.
Hold it more so I can see.
I love how the color is printed. This is something that I was nervous about. Yeah, thank you. This is my wife, Barb, taking the videos. Thank you, Barb. And I just love how it looks. So I think I can go ahead and end this while we stop the video, and then I'm going to go through and read every single page and make sure I didn't misspell anything or that we didn't put one of the photos at a weird angle or something. So yeah, here it is, Learning to See, fresh from the publisher. I just love it.